Hey JP fam,
welcome back to a new video.
Yo, we've been pumping out.
Yeah, we've been giving y'all some content, guys.
And what we're doing today?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, now today, and a lot of people wanted to see us do this for a while. Another mukbang. Oh yeah.
Hey.
So, what mukbang we're doing today?
The Popeyes.
Popeyes mukbang, guys.
Yeah, guys.
So right now we're in the carro. We're about to head to Popeyes. We're about to go munch out.
Okay.
So y'all join us.
Yes.
In another video
of us getting down on some food.
From yesterday's video. Well, yeah, last video. Let's say last video.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Oh man. Whew. Someone do the challenge. I want to see somebody else do challenges too. It was spicy. It was. Oh, I'm still trying to recover.
Yes, guys, and let me tell you guys that he was gassy.
It was some spicy farts.
Guys, we still haven't picked up our fireworks. Tell him, baby. Tell him.
Come on, Houston.
Get it together. All right. Well, we'll see you when we get to Popeyes. Okay, guys.
See you in a little bit.
Love y'all.
Yes. I let a fart out. You're so asleep, like it's snoring, that I smelled it under the covers. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
It smells so horrible under the covers. And I'm like, oh my god, I hope you don't wake up. And you never did.
Oh my gosh, I must have been tired.
Yeah, it smelled bad. It was a really bad smell fart underneath the covers.
No way. Poor me.
You recorded that story?
Yes, I did.
Now they know that you had a bigger sleep now. You're after last night's fiasco?
We really haven't ate today, babe. And it's already
I made French toast, homemade French toast. Yeah,
he did. That was so good. It's already gonna be 3 o'clock and we haven't ate. What time did we eat?
6 o'clock in the morning. We woke up at 5 this morning.
We'll see you in a minute.
I want like everything from 1 to 5. Ooh, that mac and cheese. Everything went up by $10. Wow. Alright, guys. Ordered the space. This is gonna be my first time trying the mac and cheese here. Though my favorite mac and cheese is, you already know, Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. It was a spider web when he came in the car.
Like ketchup, hot sauce, honey?
All 3. Ketchup, hot sauce, and let's go do the mukbang. We'll see you in a little bit, guys.
Hey guys, so we're back and we're ready.
Look at this. Got the biscuits, the chicken.
I got organic ketchup, which is the best, okay?
Red beans and rice, guys, and then the macaroni.
We got our cup of ice right here, ready for whatever.
Right there next to you on the floor.
I didn't get into it.
The house sauce. Can you give me some ketchup, baby?
Ketchup? Yes.
I'm gonna do the organic ketchup with some house sauce mixed in, my spicy ketchup. Like I didn't have enough spice in the last video.
Oh my god.
Making spicy ketchup.
My ketchup?
Let's try this macaroni, guys. Let's see if it's busting.
Can I have some honey?
Honey. Yo, look at this biscuit that tastes like the desert. Get my elbow on the table. Get my 2-piece right now. Oh yeah.
Where is it? Oh yeah, I found it. The wing, guys, my favorite.
What's this? Cajun Sparkle.
Cajun Sparkle.
It sounds like seasoning. Oh, now they can see.
This wing is kind of weird, so I'm not gonna eat the whole thing because it looks kind of weird. That was honey and ketchup, and that was good. I found another wing. Yay. Let me know in the comments down below what are your favorite sides from Popeyes. Okay? And how you like your chicken. You know,
spicy.
it matters.
Guys, this is so good.
Yeah, guys, it's busting. A little bit of honey. Okay? Then we're gonna put some of this ketchup.
Almost back from Dallas. My mother-in-law just got home from out of town, guys. I'm happy to see her. Some more honey. Have you tried the chicken with honey yet, babe? Oh man. I haven't had me some red beans and rice yet. What?
I'm telling you. You're missing out. Some ketchup.
Have you been liking our videos lately? We've been trying to put out that content for y'all.
Yeah. Sorry there's not much talking in the video, but I think I just got honey on my hair. But where you?
Really good.
Yeah, so. That was good.
The macaroni is hot. Temperature.
I've only eaten, I think, a week.
I think that's it right there.
I ate 2 pieces already.
I've only eaten one piece. I get all the little pieces, guys. I don't want to overdo it.
Yeah, someone told us about the chicken wings at Taco Bell. We gotta try it.
Definitely.
One of the YouTubers I follow went to go get it actually. He said it was bussin', so.
Let us know in the comments, where do you like your chicken from? Popeyes, KFC, churches.
That's my favorite. You do the beef?
Nah, I don't like churches. I cannot do churches chicken.
Because it's kind of spicy. Like that one day I got it, remember? Ooh-wee. Hit the spot.
Honestly, I'm really full. I think I'm done.
Yeah. You gonna share that biscuit with me?
Yeah, definitely.
Yoink. Let's watch this eat.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so funny. It's gonna be so funny to edit. Because we're gonna be looking for scenes where we're talking and we can't find any.
Watch this eat.
y'all watch just one stop for real.
Yes. Our last video, y'all recommend what y'all want. If your hair was hungry.
Honey hair.
Is there a leg in there?
Yes, I think.
If not, that's okay.
Oh.
No, that's so mean.
No, there's
Daddy
no
don't
legs.
eat me. Give me that one way over there. Yeah. I'm sorry guys, I burped and I didn't want another piece.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Right now we just need some time. Look what Joshua bought. You're cheating.
No, I'm not. That's not cheating. We didn't talk much, but it was a good one, man. Actually, that last piece was actually pretty spicy. Wow. I'm still recovering from the last video.
Yeah, guys. So, that's it for today's video.
We thank y'all for joining us. I know we didn't talk much, so.
Hi, hungry.
Hi, thirsty.
I'm thirsty. Nice to meet you.
Ooh, nice to meet you.
Can I have your number? We answer every girl like that asks you for your number.
Ain't nobody gonna ask me for my number.
Okay. And what's this over here? It's my trash ass.
No,
Oh, you're talking about this. You should have ate that with your chicken, honey.
Nope.
He's gonna have to try a lot of that food, guys. I think if I were to try it with him, I would have to try like one piece of everything, you know?
We ate all that spicy stuff. We still had some gushers and all that.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean up this mess, okay, guys?
We got a big mess to clean.
And we hope y'all enjoyed the last video.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
And
Make sure y'all like,
comment,
and share.
subscribe.
Oh yes. To the Life of J&P.
Yes, guys.
You know.
I should have said in the beginning, grab your snacks and eat with us.
Hey guys, so we're back. We didn't properly close out the video, but we're gonna watch a movie. Just relax. It was a good mukbang, good food. So y'all stay tuned to the next video.
Yes.
We love y'all guys. Y'all make sure y'all share us to more people and let's grow this channel.
Yes, guys.
Let's grow our family.
Grow,
And
grow,
let's
grow.
do this.
It's growing in the
2022.
year.
Oh yeah, 2022 right now. It's barely the beginning. We're gonna pump it out.
Yeah, guys.
We're gonna pump it out like we pump that iron. Alright, baby?
Yes.
Guys, well, we'll see y'all in the next video. Alright, come on, baby.
Bye, guys.
Bye.